Discover the best synthetic oils of 2023. Think engine oil is just a slick subject? Think again. We're about to dive into a world where cutting-edge technology meets the road, revealing the game changers in synthetic oils 2023. Just like a master chef selects the perfect ingredients for a gourmet dish, your car craves the best oil for its high-performance engine. And today, we're not just talking about any oil, we're exploring the creme de la creme of synthetic oils that can make or break your car's performance. It's time to rev up your knowledge and discover what makes these oils more than just a slippery subject. Hey gearheads and car enthusiasts, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. If you think choosing the right oil for your car is as mundane as picking socks, prepare to have your mind blown. Today, we're not just diving into the world of cheap, fun, and reliable wheels. We're turbocharging straight into the heart of automotive excellence with our special feature, Discover the Best Synthetic Oils of 2023. We've got the inside scoop on the top-tier oils that are making waves in the automotive world. So, grab your dipsticks, fasten your seatbelts, and join us on this high-octane journey as we explore the oils that promise to keep your engines purring like a kitten and roaring like a lion all at the same time. Let's get this engine started. Castrol 3057 GTX Magnetic Full Synthetic Motor Oil, a slick revolution. Let's kickstart our engine oil exploration with the Castrol 3057 GTX Magnetic Full Synthetic Motor Oil. This isn't your granddad's motor oil, it's a technological marvel. The Castrol GTX Magnetic stands out with its intelligent molecules, known for their clingy nature. These molecules act like microscopic magnets, adhering to engine parts and forming a protective layer. This innovation is crucial, especially since about 75% of engine wear occurs during those crucial minutes of warming up. So, when you turn that ignition, the Castrol GTX Magnetic is already at the front line, battling wear and tear. Performance-wise, it's like having a personal bodyguard for your engine. This oil promises up to 4 times smoother functioning of engine parts. That's not just smooth, that's baby bottom smooth. And for those who are particular about their choices, it comes in various viscosities, 10W30, 5W30, 5W20, and 0W20, catering to different engine needs. Compliance with standards, Castrol GTX. Magnetic doesn't just meet the API SN and ILSAC GF5 standards, it high-fives them on the way past. This compliance ensures that you're not just pouring oil into your engine, but a promise of protection and efficiency. Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil, the purple elixir of engines. Next, let's paint the town purple with the Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. This isn't just an oil, it's a purple potion for your engine. Known for its high-fidelity performance, Royal Purple is a sweetheart among high-performance vehicle enthusiasts. The secret sauce? An enhanced additive technology that acts like a shield against metal-to-metal contact. This means your engine doesn't just perform, it excels. But wait, there's more. If you're a fan of ethanol in your fuel, Royal Purple is your oil. It combats the notorious white sludge and lubrication starvation that often accompany high-concentration gasoline-ethanol blends. In terms of cost, it might seem like you're paying a premium, but in reality, you're investing in your engine's longevity. And the certifications? It's like a hall of fame with API, ILSAC, and GM Dexos 1 approvals. Royal Purple doesn't just meet expectations, it sets them. Pennzoil Platinum, the people's champion of synthetic oils. Moving on, let's talk about the people's champion, Pennzoil Platinum. This oil is like the superhero of synthetic oils, delivering premium protection without breaking the bank. At less than $7 per quart, it's a steal. But low cost doesn't mean low quality. Pennzoil Platinum offers robust wear protection and engine cleaning prowess, rivaling much pricier options. Cold weather? No problem. Pennzoil Platinum laughs in the face of chilly temperatures with its exceptional cold weather flow. It's like giving your engine a warm blanket in freezing conditions. And for those who push their cars to the limits, its heat resistance is a godsend, especially for performance cars. The twist here is the use of natural gas as a base ingredient, setting it apart from its crude oil-based counterparts. This not only reduces dependency on crude oil, but also minimizes the risk of contamination. Compared to its sibling, Ultra Platinum, it holds its own. offering great protection without the premium price tag. Alright, gearheads and auto aficionados, it's quiz time. If your engine could talk, which of these synthetic oils do you think it would swipe right on for the perfect match? Is it the magnetic charm of Castrol GTX Magnetic, the royal allure of Royal Purple, or the platinum prestige of Pennzoil? Drop your answers in the comments below and let's see which oil wins the heart of your engine. And hey, while you're pondering over that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more high-octane content. Valvoline Sin Power Full Synthetic Motor Oil, the cold climate conqueror. Let's shift gears and cruise into the world of Valvoline Sin Power Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Picture this, it's the heart of winter, and while others struggle to start their engines, yours purrs to life as if it's a sunny day in July. That's Valvoline Sin Power for you, the winter warrior of engine oils. Its low temperature viscosity rating is not just a number. It's a symbol of reliability in the face of Jack Frost. We're talking about an oil that ensures fast engine starts, even when the mercury plunges into the negatives. But Valvoline Sin Power isn't just about keeping your engine warm and toasty. It's also about efficiency. Drivers have reported up to a 2 mpg increase in fuel mileage with this oil, and in the world of rising fuel costs, that's like finding an extra few dollars in your winter coat pocket. Compatibility? Valvoline Sin Power is like the universal blood type for engines. Whether you're sporting a turbocharged, supercharged, or a naturally aspirated engine, this oil's got you covered. And the price? It's like finding a luxury product at a bargain. Affordability meets quality, a rare blend in today's world. Mobil 1, Advanced Full Synthetic, the jack of all engines. Now, let's rev up the discussion with Mobil 1, Advanced Full Synthetic. This oil is like the Swiss Army knife in the world of synthetic oils. It's not just oil, it's a lifeline for a myriad of engines out there. From turbocharged marvels to European masterpieces, Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic adapts and excels. It's like having a bespoke suit for your engine, it just fits perfectly. Users and professionals alike have put their trust in this oil. Think of it as getting a 5-star review from your discerning friend who knows their cars. Users have reported 0 issues, even after 10,000 miles of use, and professional tests like those from Blackstone Laboratories only add to its street cred. However, no hero is without its quirks. While Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic is available mostly in bulk, it's a tad inconvenient for those who need just a touch-up or have smaller engines. And for the classic car enthusiasts out there, it's like showing up to a vintage car show in a modern sports car, great, but not quite fitting the theme. In the end, whether you're battling the frost with Valvoline Sin Power or embracing the versatility of Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic, these oils are more than just lubricants. They're the unsung heroes, the silent protectors of your engine. They might not get the limelight like a shiny new turbocharger, but without them, the show doesn't. And there you have it, folks, a journey through the slick world of top-tier synthetic oils. Remember, the life of your engine is as good as the oil it swims in. Before you race off to revamp your car's oil life, hit pause and think. Have you subscribed to Car Computer Exchange yet? If not, shift your attention to that subscribe button and give it a click. Join our crew to stay in the fast lane of automotive know-how, where we talk cars, computers, and everything in between. Don't let your engine be the only thing that's well-oiled. Keep your car knowledge flowing too, right here on Car Computer Exchange. Until next time, keep your engines humming and your curiosity running.